Good morning, friends. Welcome to week 2, day 1 of our Fundations. Today we are going to focus on the digraph CK and learn a rule for that digraph and talk about how C and K can also make those same sounds and when we will use those. Before we do that, we're going to go ahead and start with our basic keyword practice. A apple A, B bat B, C cat K, D dog D, E ed E, F fun F, G game G, H hat H, I itch I, J jug J, K kite K, L lamp L, M man M, N nut N, O octopus A, P pan P, Q queen Q, R rat S snake S, T top T, U up V van V, W wind W, X fox X, Y yellow Y, Z zebra Z. Our digraphs, remember, 2 letters on one card makes one sound. So our first digraph, WH, whistle, W, CH, chin, ch, SH, ship, sh, TH, thumb, f, CK, sock, k. When you are watching me do these sounds, I want you to pay attention to my mouth and how my mouth changes when I'm making the different sounds, especially the vowels, which are the orange cards. All of those vowels, my mouth will stay open when I make the sound. A, E, I, O, U, We call those open mouth sounds. All right, let's go ahead and review some of our words of the day. We had rich. Remember, 1, 2, 3, 4 letters, but our CH is a digraph, so we tap that 3 times. Rich, rich. Our next word, we had shred, and we had a digraph blend. We had the SH, which is a digraph, and then we had a consonant next to it, which makes it a digraph blend. So we count this as 1, 2, 3, 4. D, shred. Today's word is going to include our CK. We have the word flock. Okay, 2 consonants together. So this is this is our blend. So F gets a line, L gets a line. They're on separate tiles, so they get their own line. CK is a digraph, so CK gets 1 line. So when we tap this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. K, flock. Try that one with me. K, flock. Now I'm going to show you on our magnet board that if we build the word flock, you can see a little bit better the colors. So, K. You see we have our 2 consonants together, 2 yellow tiles together. We have our vowel, and then we have our digraph, CK, that is on its own tile. So, blend, blend, digraph. Now, I want to teach you a rule about CK. CK is only used when it follows a short vowel sound. So if you have E, I, O, U, If there's another consonant here, we would not use CK. We would have to decide if it's C or K. And C usually doesn't come at the end of the word. Okay, so that is the rule for today that I want you to remember. CK will only be used when it comes after a short vowel. And we're going to practice some right now. So I'm going to spell these back. So F, L, O, and CK. So for example, if I said the word milk, let's tap that. I, O. Okay, now I have to decide what's going to come at the end of that word. Well, let's take a look. If we use the rule that we just learned, here is my short vowel. I already have a consonant after it, so I will not use a digraph. In this case, we would use just K. Now, if this wasn't here and we were making the word Mick, then we would use our digraph. But remember, CK can only come right after a short vowel, one of these orange tiles. Okay, so in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles, so we would tap 4 times. I, O, K. And we also have 2 yellow tiles together, so this would be considered a blend at the end of the word. All right, let's try another one. Let's spell it back. M-I-L-K. Okay, the next word I want to try. Let me find my list. I want to try the word sick. Sick. So, I, K. All right, think about our rule. I have a vowel, short vowel I. Do I have anything after it? No, since there's no consonant after it, I can use the CK digraph. Only after a short vowel. Okay, so notice I have 1, 2, 3 tiles. I would tap 3 times. S, I, K, sick. And 1 underline for my digraph. Okay, let's spell that back. S-I-C-K. All right, let's try another word. Let's try the word task. So, ask. Okay, what do you guys think? Can we use our digraph? If we pay attention to our rule, here's our short vowel. It already has a letter after it. So can I use my digraph? No, I'm just going to use my K. Okay? Because remember, CK is only going to come after, and since we already have a letter there, we can't use it. But I do notice 2 yellow tiles next to each other, so I know that that is a blend. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're going to tap 4 times. Task. Task. Okay, let's spell it back. T-A-S-K. All right, let's try one more. Let's do our word quick. So, quick. All right, I do not have any yellow consonants after my short I. So according to my rule, that means I can use my digraph CK. So I have 1, 2, 3 tiles. Quick. Okay, we're going to underline our digraph. QU is special. We're not considering that a digraph. Q and U are a team. They're always stuck together like someone glued them together. All right, let's spell it back. Q-U-I-C-K. All right, so the big rule I want you to remember today is that CK can only be used if it comes right after a short vowel. If you go back into the virtual classroom and you click on the digraphs, I added a new game where I think there are 4 different games you can click on. You will have to decide, will it need a C, a K, or a CK? Just remember our rule that we talked about today and have fun. I will see you back here tomorrow.